Let us flip the table. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512. This is unit 729, 1000. Addition digit root 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, and 1. So now one thing is very clear. See, here all the numbers are there. That you should remember. Digital root will be 1, 8, and 9, no 7. So if the digital root is not 1, 8, and 9, it is not a perfect cube at all. That should be remembered. Correct? One more thing I want to draw your attention is, see, if this is 10, this will be 3 times. So zeros will be 3 times. Then in square it will double. Here it is 3 times. They must be multiple of 3. And third thing I want to draw your attention is, main thing is, see, you try to check 2, 3, 7, and 8. These are numbers which are known to make a perfect square. And you can see, remaining all 1 is 1, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 9 is 9. But for those digits which are not make a perfect square, you can see that the cube and the cube root, the digital root make 10. 8 to 10, 3, 7, 10, 7, 3, 10, 8 to 10. So its nikhil is there. That should be remembered. And so using these things, we can easily find out the cube root. See, so we shall try to understand how it can be. So 1. If additional digital root of a number is not 1, 4, or 9, it is not a perfect cube. Two, if its unit digit is 0 and there are not or zeros into multiple of 3, it is not a perfect square, perfect cube. So these two things give you the way to decide whether it is a perfect cube or not. 1. Decide the unit digit of the cube root by following two rules. 1. If unit digit of given number is 1, 4, 5, 6, or 9, the unit digit of its cube root will be same. Means if unit digit is 1, cube root is 1. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9. Number 2. If unit digit of given number is 2, 3, 7 or 8. These are the digits we are not making a perfect square. Take care of it. Then the unit digit of the cube root will be its nickel. Means 2 to 8, 3 to 7, 7 to 3, and 8 to 2. This is the first one. You can say, you can put capital, no problem. Now, second, this is the rule first. Now, neglect the last 3 digits on right side and find the greatest number whose cube is not greater than the remaining part. Three, adjust above decided unit digit on right of this number which gives the required cube root. So let us take some illustrations and decide. See now, we take unit digit 4, obviously cube root will be 4. Now neglect last 3. We know 1 cube less than 2, less than 2 cube. So place 1 before it, and so you can say therefore cube root of 2744, that will be 14 is answer. We can cross check it even. Let us see. 1, 4, 16, 64 by our method. So this by 3 and this by 3, and 10 is the base. 1, 12, 48, 64, 4, 4, 7, 2, 2, 7, 44. So that means the cube root is true. So by this way you can very easily find out the cube root. 3 is not making a perfect square, and so its nickel will be the unit digit of the cube root. Remove last 3. You know 2 cube less than 19, less than 3 cube. So 2 is the greatest number. Answer is 27. So cube root is 27. Try to check 27 came and you will get this one. You can go even 279, 9 cube is, again 9, 9, 81, 9, 7, 29, 9 will be there. 3, 11, 17, 18, that is 9. So cube root is true. Same way here, 6, cube root will have the 6. Last 3. Now you can see 5 cube is 125. Can you find out what is the greatest number whose cube is not greater than 6, 7, 36, 36? You know 7 cube is 343, 9 cube is, see you know 7 cube less than 636 less than 8 cube. Am I true? No friend, do remember, don't try to take behind me. You know 8 cube is 512. And so 8 cube is less than 636 is less than 9 cube. So 8 is the biggest number whose cube is not greater than 3. You put 86 and easily you can find out 86. You can verify also, or inversely 8 and 6, 14, that is 5. 5 cube is 125 and so it is 8. You can check 11, 17, 20, 26, it is 8, so cube root is 2. So this is the way how to find out the cube root by 11 and cross check also. Thank you very much.